Electronic health records are the need of the hour. Consolidation would enable better insight generation in terms of susceptibility to ailments, immunity, and drug suitability. Of course, these analytics would be at the patient's discretion and at an additional cost. For tech-savvy users, wearables can be leveraged for improving data efficacy. Since its inception, privacy has been the biggest argument against electronic health records, and the same can now be solved by leveraging blockchain. Blockchain is the perfect medium for storing sensitive data that cannot be altered or updated without the owner of the data granting explicit permission. We propose to divide the diagnosis from the treatment with separate payer models. A price list of offerings for each diagnostic service and price quotes based on outcomes, proposed recovery parameters, and mutually agreed terms will be available to patients. Patients will be able to pick the best value alternative based on benchmark prices and tenures for treatment. Payers can then make outcome-based payments and charge premiums based on individual consumer preferences. For each treatment or drug prescribed, the patient can access information on alternatives on the platform. In addition, they can view success data, active ingredients, side effects, and make an informed decision. This will be a free service that aims to empower the patient and also builds trust and consumer loyalty. Remote monitoring tools will help free up hospital resources and enable healthcare providers to cater to a much larger patient base with the same infrastructure. With next generation technology like VR now becoming mainstream, we can leverage it to facilitate remote consultation. Patients can simply use a mobile app to help the doctor with examination and diagnosis, while the doctors would be using a VR headset to actually carry out the examination as if in person. The healthcare sector is constantly evolving to keep pace with rapidly changing technology. Even so, the focus of the sector has diverted from the patient and how best to service them towards profit making and monetization. Customer-centric intervention like the platform will help restore the agency of the patient in healthcare decision-making and equip them with the information and technology required to make this process effective.